Good morning, my dear students. This is number theory topic, lecture 8, subtopic modular arithmetic, side heading congruence. Congruence. Let m not equal to 0 be an integer if m divides the difference a minus b, then we say that A is congruence to B modulo M. We write it as A congruence B modulo M, A triple dash B mod M. Example 10 congruence to 6 mod 2. 2 divides 10 minus 6 clearly. Another example. So this is A, this is B, this is M. So M divides A minus B. So another example 16 is congruent to 8 mod 4. 4 divides 16 minus 8. 2 divides 4, that is 4 divides 8. Another example 5 is congruent to 3 not congruent to 3 mod 3. 3 does not divide 5 minus 3 if M does not divide A minus B, then A is not congruent to B modulo M. A not congruent to B mod M. Result. Each result is nothing but theorem, but proofs of theorem were not in our syllabus. So we have to know results only. Result 1. A is congruent to B mod M if and only if B is congruent to A mod M. Example 10 is congruent to 6 mod 2 if and only if 6 is congruent to 10 mod 2. Here 2 divides 10 minus 6. Here 2 divides 6 minus 10. 2 divides minus 4 minus 2 times. 2 divides 4 2 times. 2 divides 4, that is 2 divides minus 4. Result 2. A is congruent to B mod m if and only if A minus B is congruent to 0 mod m. That is right. Example, 10 is congruent to 6 mod 2 if and only if 10 minus x is congruent to 0 mod 2. 0 mod 2. Look here. Here A means 4. 4 divides no. So 2 divides 10 minus 6, that is 2 divides 4. Here 2 divides 10 minus 6 minus 0. A minus B. This is A. This is B. This is M. M. A. B. A. B. M. M. A minus B. A minus B here. Both are same. Both are same. Result 3. If A congruent to B mod m, B congruent to C mod m, then A congruent to C mod m. Example, 10 is congruent to 6 mod 2. 2 divides 10 minus 6. 2 divides 6 minus 4. 2 divides 6 minus 10 minus 4. So A is congruent to C mod m. Result 4. If A is congruent to B mod m and C is congruent to D mod m. Then A plus C is congruent to B plus D mod m. Example, 10 is congruent to 6 mod 2. 12 is congruent to 4 mod 2. 10 plus 12 is congruent to 6 plus 4 mod 2. 22 congruent to 10 mod 2. So 2 divides 22 minus 10. That is 2 divides 12. Result 5. If A is congruent to B mod m and C is congruent to D mod m, then AC is congruent to BD mod m. But here T greater than 0. D greater than 0. Example, 12 is congruent to 6 mod 3. 8 is congruent to 5 mod 3. 5 is greater than 0 here. 12 into 8 is equal to 6 into 5 mod 3. AC congruent to BD. So 96 is congruent to 30 mod 3. 3 divides 96 minus 30. That is 3 divides 66. 66. Result 7. If A is congruent to B mod m, then A square is congruent to B square mod m. Example 9 is congruent to 6 mod 3 implies 9 square is congruent to 6 square mod 3. So 81 is congruent to 36 mod 3. 3 divides 81 minus 36. That is 3 divides 45. 3 divides 45. Result 8. Result 8. If f of x is a polynomial, is a polynomial with integer coefficients and A is congruent to B mod m, then function of A is congruent to function of B mod m. Example, suppose f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. 10 is congruent to 6 mod 2. So A10, B6, M2 here. What is f of A? F of 10, 2 into 10 plus 3, 23. What is f of B? F of 6, 2 into 6 plus 3, 15. Check it. FA is congruent to FB mod M or not. Check it. Here FA is 23 congruent to 15 mod 2. This is right. 2 divides 23 minus 15, that is 2 divides 8. Right. So this result is correct. Result 9. If A is congruent B mod M, so if f of x is a polynomial with integer coefficients and A congruent to B mod M, then f of A is equal to f of B congruent to f of B mod M. Suppose f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, 10 congruent to 6 mod 2, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 6, M is equal to f of 10 value 23, f of B value 15, fa congruent to fb mod M. 23 is congruent to 15 mod 2, right. Result 9. If A is congruent to B mod M, then AC is congruent to BC mod M. Example, 12 is congruent to 6 mod 3, 48 is congruent to 24 mod 3. Here C is equal to 4. 4 into 12, 48, 4 into 6, 24. Check it. Result 10. If AC is congruent to BC mod M, then A is congruent to B mod M. GCD of M comma C is 1. Cancellation property or law. Cancellation property or law. Cancelling C, we get this one. Provided GCD of M comma C is 1, then only it is possible. Result 10 is possible when the GCD M comma C is 1. Example, 4 into 12 is congruent to 4 into 6 mod 3. Okay, 3 divides 48 minus 24, that is 3 divides 24. It's okay. Cancelling to 12 is congruent to 6 mod 3. Here GCD of 4 comma 3 is 1. Greatest common divisor of 4 comma 3 is 1. So next result 11. If A is congruent to B mod M, then GCD of A comma M is nothing but GCD of B comma M. Example 12 is congruent to 6 mod 3. 6 mod 3. Is congruent to 6 mod 3. Look here. GCD AM. This is A, this is B, this is M. 12 comma 3 GCD. 12 comma 3 GCD. How much? GCD 12 comma 3. Nothing but greatest common divisor is 3. Similarly, 6 comma 3 greatest common divisor GCD is also 3. So both are same. You know how to find GCD. Find GCD of this, GCD of this, check it. Result 12. If X is congruent to Y mod A and X is congruent to Y mod B, then X is congruent to Y mod LCM of A comma B. Example, 12 is congruent to 6 mod 3. Okay, and 12 is congruent to 6 mod 2. Okay, this implies 12 is congruent to 6 mod, what is LCM of 3 comma 2? 6. LCM of 3 comma 2. Check it. 6 mod 6. That is 6 divides 12 minus 6. That is 6 divides 6. So LCM of 3 comma 2 is 6. Next, residue class or congruence class. Let X congruent to A mod M. Then the congruence class than the congruence class or residue class of a mod m denoted by bracket a and is defined as bracket a is equal to x such that x is congruent to a mod m. X is congruent to a mod m. So x such that x is equal to a mod x congruent to a mod m means nothing but by division algorithm x is equal to a plus mk, a plus mk, k times k belongs to z, k belongs to z. Clearly this is an arithmetic progression, AP, with the common difference, this is the difference, common difference m, with the common difference m. This is the definition of residue class. X such that x is congruent to a mod m, nothing but bracket a. There are m distinct congruence classes modulo m. For example, m is equal to 5. How to write distinct congruence modulo m? 5 is there. So bracket 0, x such that x is congruent to 0 mod 5. Write like this. Here a is equal to 0. So 5k plus 0, 5k. Bracket 1. X such that x is congruent to 1 mod 5. 1 mod 5 is equal to x such that x is equal to 5k plus 1. K belongs to z. Look here. You write checking. Suppose x is equal to 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1 is congruent to 1 mod 5. By definition of congruent, 5 divides 5k plus 1 minus 1. A minus b. This is a, this is b, this is m. M divides a minus b. That is 5 divides 5k. So naturally it is true. Checking is over. Bracket 2. X such that x is congruent to 2 mod 5. X such that x is equal to 5k plus 2. K belongs to z. Bracket 3. X such that x is congruent to 3 mod 5. X such that x is equal to 5k plus 3. K belongs to z. Bracket 4. X such that x is congruent to 3 mod 5. X such that x is equal to 5k plus 4, comma k belongs to Z. So when m is equal to 5, number of congruence classes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So congruence classes are m is equal to, write set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 classes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Last class is nothing but m minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, m minus 1, 0, 1, 2, so on, m minus 1, in general, need not write m here, or given by set of like this, in general m minus 1. In general m minus 1. Complete residue system modulo m. The set of numbers r1, r2, so on, rm. R means remainder is called a complete residue system of modulo m. If Ri not equal to Rj mod m, for I not equal to j, and every integer x belongs to one only one congruence classes. So bracket r1, bracket r2, bracket r3, so on, bracket rm. That is r is congruous to Ra mod m for I belongs to 1 to so on m. For example, m is equal to 10, the set is starting from 0 up to 9. We get 10. Is a complete residue system modulo 10. So if x leaves remainder 0 when x divided by 10, then x belongs to bracket 0, similarly 1, similarly 2, similarly 9. Problem: find complete residue system modulo 17 containing multiples of 3. A is equal to 17 minus 1, 16 into 3, up to right 48, 3 multiples. So Ra not congruous to Rj mod 17, but x is congruous to 3y mod 17. This implies 70 divides x minus 3y.